I'll look where we're walking so we don't walk in the puddles. Can you see the reflections in the puddle? Juno doesn't like the dark. Do you, Juno? You don't like the dark? So we're going down. Down, down, down now. Into the darkness. Juno's more scared of the dark than me, to be honest. Aren't you, Juno? I don't mind the dark. Oh, we need this one. It's been raining all day, so I'm ready to go out, really. And I don't mean just rain, I mean bucket loads. I've got her now because she's a bit scared of the dark, aren't you, Junes? Up there another day, I think, Juno. It's even more dark up there. And you don't like the dark. Juno wants to wait for George because she doesn't want him to be left behind. She'd make a great assistance dog, wouldn't you, Juno? Yes. Yeah, she keeps an eye on for him. This is, and I have little and large. There's George's Chihuahua. He always wanted a Chihuahua, but if you notice, Juno is the one who's looking out for him. Benny's like, oh, that's him always talking. I guess he's used to George being behind. I did get George holding Juno with me earlier. You can see we're going into the darkness now. She can hear George actually behind. She's not looking ahead because she's quite scared of the dark. Is my beautiful Juno. Because she's looking down at the ground, she hasn't actually noticed. Have you, June? And why is it darker in here? Because even though there's a very cloudy day, there is still daylight in the grey skies above. It was really weird just putting this stuff on my YouTube because I thought you would all want my shares on how life is. I stop now. Turn around for Juno. Wanted to go back and check on George because she's such a good girl. So here you can see Juno's bright corners. And I'm going to come around this corner and then I'm going to leave this video. See how dark it is here in the trees. It's a bit, so I wasn't sure if we were going to do this. But it's not actually that dark when you're actually outside. The sound of the brook. See the light through the trees. And I can hear George catching up as I avoid the puddle. There's a big puddle there, so that's why the camera's going to be dodgy. I'll leave this and put this on there. This is my day. It's been raining all day, so I haven't really been able to do a huge amount. I've wrote a list of things I order, prioritising things that I need to do in the week. And some thoughts down for my new book that I'm going to do, and it's basically theories, all theories, like theories that have been famous through time, that about shelter in the woods, you know, and things like that. TikTok, time is one thing that just keeps moving, and how we use time and how we see time. Like now, look, can you see? There's no trees there, and just that clearing, that little bit of light. That'd be a photo that may illustrate a book. So I'm like, so many things going through my head now of how the trees can produce shelter, but then Also, even on a grey light today, how much light comes through when you've got a clearing. And so if we clear space, how much more we can see and how much more light we let into our life if we clear a little bit of space. And about spaces, so like that's about 3-4 stories that I can imagine that I could do. But I'm going to try and keep it a lot more clearer than that. This is my rambling thoughts. So, TikTok, time, what is, and some theories. So things that really do affect all our lives. Love, light, scales, balance. You know, if you put one weight, it's going to go up. And how we having balance. And another thing, like middle ground. Things like that. And there's little theories. And how they can make our lives much more clear. See how much brighter it is out here now. I like this little nature reserve. It's nowhere. And that's everything. There's so much going on. And it's not a famous place, but yeah, it brings so much joy. And so much nature thrives here. And some things that are quite rare, but very often no one even sees. Yeah, so that's my video for today. Some of my thoughts. And wait for George now. He's just around the corner there. You'll see him, see I haven't abandoned him. Here he comes. There he is. Oh, do you know we have to wait for George? She can see him, you see, that's why she wants to go now. Bye all. Dude. It's okay, June. They used to make the roofs for these, for the thatched houses, when they made the houses years ago. I'm going to do a little video with these steps. So there's lots of things that are driving me mad. So as I go down the step, I'm letting things go in my head as I go down. And steps mentally are a handy thing because it's very hard to run up. But if you do one step, and look, I'm nearly down. Like the things I need to learn to step away one at a time and realise each part of progress is progress. Apparently no one likes my theories. No one watches them. Everyone likes it when I don't talk. I wonder why they would think I was taking a video of steps. There's always a reason with me. Everyone knows me. You know, there's always a reason. So the reason I go down the steps, going down the steps, is symbolic. So, look, I don't need a few more, and I'm down. Can you hear the rain falling? Oh, I can hear the stream. And it's raining up there on the top. I can hear it hitting the leaves. But down here you can't hear the rain. Because I'm further down, so the canopy is thick. So even though it's raining, the rain hasn't got down here because it can't get through that thick canopy yet. It will, but not yet. And that's where we came from. So let's go to my YouTube channel. of a title. What is the far distant mountain, the sun on my back, the reflection of me waving to you all above, the mountain high, the valley below, the odd cloud rumbling by, the grass down there was reed or grass. Some is reed and some is grass, is yellow from the wind. Years ago it was used to make furniture and woven into things. Now it's just left and not seen as a good thing. At one time this reed was useful and thought of with high regard. Now it's just a thing of the past.
Like
no longer
and
given
follow.
high regard.